Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles right here in Mansfield, Texas. I'm here today to show you a 2011 Tracer Ultrlight. This is a 2-slide RV. Comes with one large slide and a smaller slide on the other side. It has power electric jacks, under the bed storage on those two side doors. There's your two propane tanks, and they call this the Executive Series. It's got diamond plate on the front, little tread plate. It does have a canopy, and we have not rolled it out, so we don't know what the condition is. We did replace two of the two front tires were just replaced. They were out of date. The back ones are still within date. And there's your rear slide. They call this the 3000 BHS, which is a bunkhouse model. Let me show you around back here and then we'll go inside. It's a pretty roomy RV, and it's an older RV. It's a 2011, so it's got a few little marks here and there. The motorcycle zipping by. Let's have a look inside. It's a lot of space for the price point. When we got it, it didn't have a mattress, so we ordered this one. It's a Serta. They call it a perfect sleeper. It's a lot better quality mattress than normally would come. Normally you end up with just kind of a foam pad. So it's really got a nice bed. It's got these overhead cabinets, which are real deep because the front of the RV is rounded, and these are little hanging closets. There's one on each side, and this mirror will rotate around and you can have the TV back in the sleeping area. Up here on the front, it is missing the couch, which normally folds out into a sleeper, but you could buy a couple of those recliners or some other kind of RV furniture and just kind of personalize it. It'd be kind of your choice, but you got that empty space. There is a little scratch in the wood right here where it was apparently rubbing going down the highway. This dinette is a lot larger. Usually it's two benches facing each other, but this one's kind of rounded, so it's larger than most. And that table drops down and that turns into a bed. The bathroom area is very clean. It's got a vanity, mirror, sink, toilet. It does need a shower curtain. One trip to Walmart will take care of that. It's got shampoo and soap holders on both sides. And this is the bunkhouse area. This little bunk bed will fold up. You can see the latches up there on the wall. Basically it folds up like that. And then this area also folds down into a sleeping area. It's got a little drink holder and a place to sit down for the little ones. Place cabinets back here with shelves to put your stuff. Some overhead storage as well. It's got lots of lights. And it's got a privacy curtain here that you can pull closed for nighttime. You can see the green light is on the smoke detector. The floor is a combination of linoleum and carpet. It's in pretty good shape. Again, there's a little wear and tear. It's not a perfect RV, but it's not a $30,000 RV either. There's the flat screen TV that comes with it. It's got an AM/FM stereo. It's a Jensen. It's got a CD player. Looks like a DVD player as well. There's the remotes for it. Got some storage under here. And as I mentioned, this will pivot around and you can put the TV in the sleeping area. Another view of the front. But overall, a pretty good RV for the money. It does have a microwave and a gas oven. A lot of the newer RVs, they're doing away with the gas ovens in favor of a convection oven. But I don't know about you, when I get ready to cook a pizza, I want it in a gas oven. just tastes better. Just my opinion. It's got storage space under the sink. It's a double sink. Overhead cabinets. You can put a coffee maker. There's a plug right there. It's actually where the microwave plugs in. 3-burner cooktop. Refrigerator freezer that runs on propane or electricity, whichever your situation demands. Got some nice pantry cabinets, real deep shelf space. And there's more over here on this side. That's more of a closet space and a place to put whatever. But it's a double slide Tracer Ultrlight. It's a 2011. So it's really in pretty good condition considering the age. And we're going to have it priced right here at Texas Best Used Motorcycles. I do like that mattress. I've seen some pretty crummy RV mattresses, and that's like I say, a premium upgrade. We'll step outside and get one more look on the outside. The screen has a little tiny tear in it. Just show you any kind of flaws. The graphics are in good shape on the very front. They are a little bit cracked and faded. Just kind of get back and get a look of it. For a 2011 Tracer Executive Series Ultralight. Brought to you by Texas Best Used Motorcycles, Mansfield, Texas. Have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.